Hey, what's up everyone? I've been getting a ton of questions about cloud mining platforms, specifically which ones are actually worth using and which ones are just dressed up to look good. And today I'm going to answer that as directly as I can because I've spent the last few months running one particular platform hard enough to have a real opinion about it. So let's get into it. Clicking launch here. And there's dashboard. This is just the main screen. Clean layout, everything in one place, nothing that requires digging around to find. So first thing, we select token. I choose USDT, and worth mentioning that it supports different tokens across multiple blockchains. So I'm not locked into USDT specifically, I just prefer working with it personally because it keeps things stable, but the flexibility is there if I want to switch things up. So next, we configure cluster power. It's basically the performance dial. Higher setting means the system works harder, produces more output, but the fee at the end is slightly higher too. So I think about this for a second every time, rather than just maxing it out, because the efficiency trade-off actually matters. All right, comfortable with these, so we press start. And session's running. Console shows us how long it's been going, resource usage, session progress, unique session code, and there's a live log feed that I always keep visible because it shows real system activity, not just a spinning wheel. So letting this run for a few minutes and then I'll show you the withdrawal process step by step. Okay guys, pop-up is here, done, and right here is the exact USDT output from this run. Clean and simple. So to withdraw, first thing is entering receiving address for USDT. Okay, confirmed. Next is the platform's charge for running the session. It gets calculated from the power settings I picked and the total session time. And the nice thing is I already know what it's going to be before I even press start, so there are zero surprises. And I can cover it with any of the supported tokens, not just USDT. There's also a wallet connect option that handles everything automatically in one tap, but going manual, so every step is on screen. Okay, everything is submitted. Here we tap confirm and it's processing now. Comes through quickly. So while that processes, let me quickly explain what cloud mining is, because I think it's important to understand before putting any crypto into something like this. So there are professional data centers out there running huge amounts of mining hardware at scale. What this platform does is connect us to that existing infrastructure. We set up a session and the hardware does all the computational work on their side. No hardware on your end, no electricity involved, no maintenance. All of that lives on the infrastructure side. And this platform has been around for several years at this point. In this space, that actually means a lot. Most of the platforms that aren't real don't survive longer than a few months before disappearing. The fact that this one has been operating consistently, building a track record, and still running the same way it did when it launched, that's not nothing. That's a pretty meaningful signal about who's behind it and how seriously they take what they built. So wrapping up, 4 months and different power configurations each time. And the honest summary is straightforward. It worked every single time. Withdrawals came through clean, fee matched exactly what I saw before I started, and nothing across any of those sessions felt off. And after everything I've been through testing platforms in this space, I know what that kind of consistency over that many sessions means. The infrastructure is real, the team knows what they're doing, and the platform has proven itself over years of operation. That's my take. Nothing more, nothing less. Link is in description and pinned in comments.